And the van's so long it gets stuck and then kind of coasts up, and I can feel it sinking into the dirt. Hey, welcome to GT Canada. I got a quick car story for you today. I'm going to tell you about my family's giant white van. I call it affectionately our Hutterite van, and that's because typically the only people who drove vans this big, this was a 15-passenger 3500 GMC Savannah. So we were driving out to Koocanusa in BC, which was our favorite spot to go to the lake, nice clean lake. And we'd go surfing, boating, camping, whatever. There's a bridge that goes over one of the rivers, which is a major bridge for that route that we take down Highway 3. It was closed with alternating traffic to resurface the bridge. So traffic was backed way up around the corner, and a lot of guys were taking this exit into what looked like a gravel pit. So I figured they must know something that I don't know, so we might as well follow them. We're not moving anywhere anyway, so why not see where they're going? So we take the exit and we boot into this gravel pit. I can't see where the guys are, but there's piles of dirt everywhere, and on my GPS it says there's actually a road that goes over on the other side of this gravel pit. We just need to go through the gravel pit to get to this road, and then that will allow us to kind of go around a lot of this traffic that we're waiting for. We might even be able to cross the bridge at a different spot, or cross that river in a different spot. So we boogie through the gravel pit. We get out to the road out the backside, and I'm thinking, hey, everything's great. And then we come across this giant heaped up pile of dirt that was put there to stop people from traveling to the other side of this gravel pit. We're in our big Hutterite van. It's rear wheel drive. It is massive. It weighs 10,000 pounds almost. It's like 9,000 pounds, but close enough to 10,000. I got decent tires on it, but it's a heavy, long van, and this hill is quite steep. So I'm worried if I just go slowly over it that I'm going to high center myself. We're gonna be stuck out in the middle of nowhere. We've got the dogs in the back, the kids in the back, all of the camping stuff in the back. So we're not really set up for 4x4ing. So we get all the kids out, and I fly at this hill and go flying right over top of it. Go to the other side, everyone jumps in, and we think we're home free. We're driving down this nice little trail to get to the main part of the road that will get us out over the bridge in this other spot. And then we come across another giant pile of dirt, but this time they actually dug down in front to get the dirt pile up on the other side. So we again try to pull everyone out, and I go flying at this thing, and I get into this dirt, and the van's so long it gets stuck and then kind of coasts up, and I can feel it sinking into the dirt. So I just threw it in reverse while I still had momentum and drove back as fast as I could to get back out of there, and decided enough's enough, we got to go back where we came from. So on the way back, I figured I might as well film. My wife was going to drive this time to go over, and I thought I'll film her driving over it. And I said, just hit it hard and fast so you don't get stuck. She's like, yeah, okay. And she just gave her, and as you can see, here we are flying that van right up over that berm and getting it back down the other side. So these vans do have off-roading 4x4-like capabilities, as you've seen in this video. I thought some of you might find this amusing, so I just wanted to throw it up real quick just so you could see the kinds of fun we have when we're, I don't know, trying to get somewhere, I guess. We did end up actually finding a different gravel road out of there, which just kind of went along the highway. It was similarly rocky and little streams going across and everything, so it was kind of fun. And we ended up popping out just in front of the bridge, so we had to still jump into the line of traffic to get over the bridge. But it did all work out. We had a fun adventure with the family and the kids. The kids still remember this to this day, and I got some good video to commemorate the event, and now I get to immortalize it on the YouTube. Hopefully YouTube's still around in 30 years and we can watch this back and remember the good times. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out some of the other ones. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Got a lot of other great videos coming up, and I don't want you to miss out on them. See you next time.